Hey guys, Kurt here with NK Garage, and we're back with another tool haul video. So, today's tool haul is a couple of weeks old, probably 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks old. I was at the Stormville Airport Flea Market on Memorial Day weekend. So, let's jump in, let's take a look and see what I bought. First off, I think this is one of the coolest finds of the day, at least to me. It's this Sears Craftsman little toolbox. It's not perfect, definitely needs some cleaning, it's got some grime on it. But I paid 10 bucks for it, and it's just a nice little case. So it looks like it kind of belongs with a socket set, like you could put your sockets here, breaker bars, extensions, ratchets in here, maybe a couple other hand tools. Nice little set, thought it was cool. I don't know exactly what year it is, and I'm not sure about the part number. But if anybody out there has an old Sears catalog and they find the part number in there, let me know, because I kind of want to do some research on it. Next up, while we're talking about mechanics tools, I got these Mac Torx sockets here, and the guy had them all for $1, and I think they're all new. So I got 2 of each size that I could find. So we got 2 T60s, T55, T47, T45, T40, T30, T20, and T8. So not a complete set, but a lot of them are the security bit style, which I thought was pretty cool and definitely handy. So we'll probably put a set here in the shop and find a use for the rest of them. Plus one Allen socket here, also Mac USA. Got 2 1/4-inch breaker bars. This one here is a Her brand, and this one is an Eastco, both USA. And both of those came with a little bit of a Torx bit set with them as well. This I picked up, trying to remember the brand here. It's a green Lee, and this is a extension bit for the old brace drills and stuff. So figured it was cool. I think I paid $1 for it, so definitely worth that. On the bottom, we got some wood chisels. I spent a lot of time at one seller who has a lot of new old stock items. So I got these Sheffield wood chisels. They're all $2. That's what I paid. So this is 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, 3/4, and 1/2 inch. Then I got a couple of Buck Brothers, also $2 a piece, 2 3/4 and 2 1/4. Then I got this all-way glass scraper, brand new in the package, with razor blades for $2. That was a score. We'll swing back up top and look at these 2 little Craftsman sets. These are not USA made, but I thought they were cool. $10 and $12. They're both carbide tipped router bits. So this is the dovetail router bit set, 3-piece. I think I would have to break the packaging to get in here because of this. So I guess we won't take a peek inside. And then this one is the 4-piece round over edge forming router bit set. So we got to take a look at our router bits and see if we have these or not, but I thought they were pretty cool, so I decided to pick them up, bring them home. Next up, we got this saw setting step gauge for $2. Thought it could come in handy. I don't think we have one. I went nuts at, the guy he always has a lot of chisels and punches, and they're really, really well priced, especially for what they are. So these 2 are Proto USA. These are the 86A 7/8 by 18 inch. That's a crazy chisel. For 10 bucks, I had to have them. I bought 2 of them. Next up, I got this Williams 3/4 inch, probably like a 12-inch, 15-inch chisel. Paid $4 on this one. I got 2 more Protos here. These are 1/2 inch by 12 inch. And these I also paid $4 a piece on. Then I got this Wildy, USA made, another chisel. This one's probably 1 inch. Nice heavy duty little stubby guy. Then I got 3 of these Proto. These are 5/8 by 3/8. So nice little Chisel Punches. And then this one down here is a Worth. Nice little flat tip little pin punch here. And then I picked up this Matco 4-piece set. It's $10 for the set. He's got MM on here. I don't know if that I guess they're millimeters, so 5 millimeters, 6, probably 7 and 8. With the Matco stuff, I got this little screwdriver keychain. It was $1, or actually it looks like a pry bar. I thought it was cool. Figured I'd pick it up. And then this was interesting. So this is a 1/4 to 3/8 adapter, and it's universal. So you could put your 1/4 inch in like that, have the adapter, and if you have a 3/8 drive tool, you punch it out the other way. Interesting concept. I'm going to swing it back up top. We'll look at this Buck Brothers Hard Edge Toolbox saw. I think this was pretty cheap. I don't remember the price. Maybe it was like a couple bucks. Nice Buck Brothers saw, made in USA. Can't go wrong there. $2. Yeah, that's why I picked it up. Nice and cheap. While I was at it, I found this Sheffield 10-inch economy keyhole saw. This, I believe, was $1. I got a bunch of these Starrett tape measures, and these were $5, and the 2 smaller ones were $4. The reason why I bought these is, one, I mean, I love Ellis Starrett tools, but this does metric and SAE, and the SAE is in 30 seconds, I believe. So definitely a nice precision tape measure, and I got 3 of them. So those will all be kept here in the shop. And then we got the 16-foot control lock. This one's more just a basic tape measure, but you got the button lock there. 16-foot true lock. This one has got a different switch as I fumble with it. And then we got the 25-foot control lock. So this one is like the other one where you have to push the button to pull it out. Again, just a standard tape measure, but I like them. All right, next up, we'll look at some stuff here. We got the Buck Brothers 3-piece wallboard set. This, I think, was only $1, so kind of figured why not. You know, it's a cheaper Buck Brothers item, but I believe it was proudly made in the U.S., so can't leave U.S. tools behind. I got 2 of these little Buck Brothers little hand saws. Next up, I got 2 Craftsman screwdrivers. But these are the Robertson bits. So we have the number 1 Robertson and the number 2 Robertson. And I don't find these very often, so decided I'll pick those up. Those probably will stay with me in my personal collection. I guess we'll swing back up top because I'm getting a little out of order. I picked up some stuff for the shop. Got 3 of these Linzer Best paintbrushes. I don't remember if these were $1 or $2 or 3 for $5 or something like that, but I remember they were a really good deal. And I also got a 3-pack of Wooster rollers. Got this Craftsman dog bone. I believe this was in the $1 pile somewhere. So I figured why not. It's not USA made, but it's Craftsman, and for $1 I can't leave it behind. And then the only other wrench I got is this West Germany DIN 895. So it's an 8mm by 10mm. We'll swing it back down to the bottom row and take a look at the rest of the stuff. With the guy that had the new old stock stuff, he had these for $1 a piece. Old Forge USA little tack pullers. We got the CTA tools. This is kind of like a rip-off of the Diamond Handy Boy pliers, but you know, it's like a 3 or 4-in-1 tool because you got the slip joint pliers, you got the wire cutter, you get the flat blade screwdriver, and the adjustable wrench. Some people have referred to these as farmer pliers as well. Then we got some vintage pliers. These 2 right here were 2 for $5, and I really wanted this one is a vacuum grip snap-on. Nice older pair. So you got the vacuum grips here. That was their thing, or at least they contracted out if Vacuum Grip was another company. USA stamp in here. There might even be a date stamp on this, but I haven't really looked it over too close yet. This one is a Red Devil. It's hard to read because of all the rust here, but since it was 2 for $5, I got that one as well. This is also a Red Devil. I don't know if the lighting will be there enough for you guys to see it, but it's kind of like a laser etched logo. And I pick up Red Devil tools when I can find them. Then we got 4 pairs of Utica pliers. We got a needle nose. This is like a thinner tip needle nose. We got 2 of those. And then this one down here has got this special, I think it's a wire stripper on it, plus a needle nose, kind of like a multi-tool. It's got the red and yellow grip. You guys know more about that, let us know. Then I picked up a pair of Sears tongue and groove style or slip joint style water pump pliers. And then last on the list, I got all of this pegboard stuff. I got those with the Sears pliers. I think I got all this for $5. And I really wanted this because I'm going to put a nut driver set in my shed. Plus we got some of these. Those are good for hanging screwdrivers and stuff. And just a bunch of little miscellaneous. I don't remember what I spent in total on everything. It was a few weeks ago, probably about a month ago. I'm going to say it was probably between $200 and $300. And I think I got a pretty good deal. Definitely a lot of good stuff for the shop. Some good stuff. Some of this will go up on the eBay store. And some of it will even be gifts for friends and family that are in need of some of these tools. So I think the Sears Craftsman box is one of my favorites from the haul. I'm really excited just to clean it up. I have never seen this style before. It's got a little dent here and I'll have to pop out. But I did check and it's just small enough to fit in our ultrasonic cleaner. So I'll probably dip it in there and run it for a little bit on a lower temperature just to try to get some of this dust and grime off. And then I'll go in a little bit more detail and start getting into it. But I think that'll be a fun little project. I'm loving these huge chisels. I don't know what I'm going to need this for. This is like almost a jackhammer bit. But when you need it, you need it. And that'll be a good thing. Let us know what your favorite find of the day is. And if you guys got any extra info on the Sears box or any of these other tools, feel free to leave it in the comments. Comments are always welcome. So that's it for this video for today. We'll see you guys next week with another.